So your final exams, it's in 3 weeks time, eh? So you must study.
In what?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks. Okay.
So in fact, we are very late. Me, if I were you, I do before. In 3 weeks time, finish everything. If so, if exam is with 10, with 9, everything should be finished. So if Yvonne will send us, but get ready. And let me check here. So if you go to April, I think by the 15, this week 15 to 19, you must get ready for exams. Only Yvonne confirms. So yeah. And I will use PCs, not laptops. We'll open everything, get ready, you sit, you do, and finished. With one. So we have two. One is practical, like what we're doing now, exactly what we're doing, exactly. And one theory with quiz, like your chapter exams you do. It's just to check if you study, that's all.
Chapter 1 to 11.
Everything, 1 to 14. When hopefully 15 of April, in 3 weeks time. Get ready, yeah, phone will confirm, but get ready in 3 weeks time. So this week, so end of this, yeah. Please. Sorry? So we have 2 exams. One is for quiz and one is for packet tracer, like exactly what we're going to do today. Guys, this Saturday is very important. What we're going to do today is extremely important. Oh. So can you please confirm if it was the same exam we have? If it was same packet tracer we are doing together. Let's see. And that we're back. Should be 3 in this one. Yes. And the same.
Which one?
and the one we started last time, last Saturday.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Anytime when you have an exam, first thing first is to understand the topology. Take 1 to 2 minutes to understand. And how to do that? We always start from the router because he's the big boss. So I have a router on my left side, I have a LAN, and on my right side, I have only a PC. So when you understand, it's fine. Then you go where? To the question paper. So here you have an addressing table where you'll get all your info for the config. Then we have the question paper here. What are we going to do? We're going to set up the topology, configure device, and display device. So first thing first, we say what? Set up a topology. So this one I think we did last time, but I'm going to do. So we need 2 PCs, PC A, PC B. I'm going to put them on the table. Put it here. What is that, guys? Oh, put them here, here.
Let's see.
Wait, there's no, I charge mine.
Your laptop. There. No.
Listen to the energy.
So we have two pieces here. See? So we have to put them on the table. So you just drag and drop. You put them here. And then yeah, and check somewhere. I don't know. How long is your cable? Then you can maybe sit here. I can remove my laptop. So we're going to share that and 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay. So what we're doing now, it's exactly what you get for your exam. So please pay attention. You can zoom in, zoom out as much as you can. So my PCs are here, must always power on. And on PCs, we have two ports. One RS is for console cable, and the other one is for Ethernet, the normal network cable like this one. Now we need a router and a switch. So we say S1 and R1. I check. R1 is here, S1 is here. I can zoom back. I put R1 and S1. Then I need to link them. So I go back to my topology. So PCA goes to F06 on S1. To connect a PC to a switch, we use what? Okay. And you go to fast Ethernet. If you don't see properly, you can zoom in. You come here, fast Ethernet, click, and we say F06 on S1. You see, it's going to show you. It's there. Now we switch to a PC, to a router. What cable? So now you use F05 on the switch to G001 on the router. What is that port here? Yeah. Now the router to a PC, we're going to use the same, it's fine. So G000. So here it's a bit small, we can zoom in. G00, yeah, you are here. You can zoom out to B. PC. Make sure it's PCB. Don't swap. See, PCA is here, PCB. If you swap and you mismatch. So this is our topology. And already we have 17%. So we are done with the topology. The names should be exactly what we see. So this one, you should be able to do it. Sometimes we're going to ask you to use a console cable, so you know where to connect console cables. We go where? We go to, we set up the topology, it's done. Take your time, don't rush to read. Take 5 minutes to relax. Okay, this one we did. Now, part 2, configure device. assign static IP to a PC interface. So we need now to assign IP addresses to a PC. So what is PCA? We go back here. You see PCA, we open it. We go to desktop, IP configuration. Now we use our table here. PCA. Okay, this one can go back. It's fine, I'm done. So PCA, this is the IP address 192.168.3. So I copy it. Normally don't copy, don't so it's good to type 192.168.1.3 and subnet mask /24. It means how many ones? Very good. So if you say /24, it means 24 ones. And if you convert them in decimal, it's 255, 255, 255.0. Who can explain to her? I don't skip class. People will skip class now. You see. Okay, if you see 255, 255, it means /24, it means 255, 255, 255. Subnet mask. Now the default gateway. So if you have a design, the default gateway is where the interface of a router. So this PC is connected to a router via this port. So now this port is the default gateway. So G001. So you come here. What is G001? You are on R1. This is G001, and this is the IP. If you want to copy, but I don't advise you to do that because sometimes it can go wrong. And default gateway, I paste here. DNS server, did they give us DNS server? No. Then we leave it blank like that. There is no DNS server, we leave it. So this is how we configure PCA. From the question paper, you check and you put. When you are done, if there is no save, it's fine. You just close. Just close here. Now we will do the same thing for PCB. Don't forget to switch on to power on. We go to PCB, desktop, IP configuration. We see PCB here. NIC is network interface card. It's the IP, it's like my SIM card. You copy it and you paste here. Make sure it's correct. Subnet mask, we say /24. It means it's 255, 255, 255. It's there. Now default gateway. PCB is linked to R1. So what is the default gateway for PCB? I don't understand what you say. Sawubona.
And there's the phone gateway, if it's not 24, it's 26 or 25.
So if I take this picture, this is PCB, this is the router. What is the default gateway for PCB? No. And tell me from here, what's the name of the default gateway for PCB? Good. So PCB, the default gateway is G000. Because if PCB want to go to another network, it must use that gate, that door to go out. That's why I say default gateway or default door. I use that door to go out. A router, it's like a corridor. From there, you can go to another room, another classroom, another. So if me, I want to go out, it's where I'm connected to. And this is my door to go out to other networks. So this is the default gateway for PCB. Then I go to my to my addressing table. This is G000. This is the IP address. Yeah. I copy it. Yeah. You want to do something? Be careful and don't fall. In fact, here I think it's good to put a chair or two chairs so that people want someone can forget them. Boom.
So what I'm asking, they gave us this IP address and change here to 26 or so it's not gonna be .0.
Yeah, yes. So what you're saying is right.
Yes, but I don't want to start when I'm writing the exams.
So just take it in. If you have 192.1.1.1, if it says /24, that /24, as you know, any IP address has it's a subnet mask.
Yes.
Like when you have an ID, the add and the gender, male or female. It's not just your ID. If you have an ID, we're going to add something to identify you. Let's say your ID. Mrs. Potter, what's your ID number? Okay, let's say someone ID, for example, is 85 000 as African ID, and always they add female or male. So any ID will come with the gender, female or male. It's always like that. Any IP address comes with a subnet mask. And as we saw, the subnet mask will help us until you're disconnecting my stuff. I forgive you, it's fine. Any IP comes with a subnet mask.
Yes.
The subnet mask will help us. Are you a male or are you a female? Do you belong to class A, to classroom 1 or classroom 2, classroom 3, classroom 4? If it's a class C and it's /24 with default subnet mask, they all belong to one classroom. The default, we all belong to. If we change, and here the default is 1255, 255.0, the default. But if we change, let's say /25, it means now we have 25 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much? 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24. 25. Now I have 1, 2. What is it? Now here, if I convert this binary to decimal, is how much? 255. 255. 255. $128. See, this one falls in the first. If you do a table, 128, 64, another one, what you need. So this one is. So /24, if you convert to decimal, is 255.0. If I say /25, 255. You see, you have to just do your binaries and your table in that. But for now, we're not there. We're not doing subnetting. We're just doing this. Okay, we continue. So the gateway for PCB. For those who came late, we are doing the same lab like what we did last Saturday. I think 10.4.3. So I go to PCB and default gateway. Guys must follow properly. It's exactly the same exam you get. This is the default gateway. If you mismatch, it won't work. Make sure that you put the correct info at the correct place. I'm done for